Ah, man, it's hot out here. Another Monday in July. Come on. It's another Monday morning here at TLC. Mrs. Waters, what we got going on today? It looks like you're perplexed by something going on. And I've got to run down and take care of a drainage job emergency that got sold for 2 days, and we got a bad thunderstorm coming. So we're going to leave out here in a couple minutes and knock that out. What's the chance of the thunderstorms coming?
90% at 2, 100% at 3.
So we got 180 and add some more, about 250 feet of drainage. We catch all these boxes. We got to stabilize this grass seed, straw, and a couple bales at the end.
Yeah, no, I can call Rudy to pick up a whole bunch of straw, seed, get that yard put back together at the end of the day, and it should be good to go. Yeah.
So we got to get this job done. Rain coming. Waters?
Yes.
How come you? Oh, that's right. I was going to give you grief, but it's not your fault because you had this job scheduled for 2 days, and now we're trying to get it done because of the rain. It's very important to get this done before 3 o'clock, before the rain hits. It makes a big mess in the creek, and we don't want the county inspector on my ass. It's not a good thing.
Nope.
Good. What was your question?
Do we do Bryantown, Maryland?
Bryantown is right on the cusp of what we do, but yes, we do. What do you got?
He had an irrigation system already when he bought the house.
Yep.
We did not put it in,
Yep.
but he has some zones
Service?
that are...
Yeah,
Yep.
we can go down and do that.
Perfect.
Okay. Hey, Carol Ann, can you check with our top coat floor material we were looking for last week, see if it got delivered? And we had a call-in member to Ditch Witch for that replacement engine.
Right.
Can you check on both of them for me today? Waters, where are you at?
Right here.
What are you girls doing back there? There's got to be some kind of shenanigans going on here on a Monday morning, talking about what happened Saturday night, Sunday morning. What's going on? Nothing? Nothing we can discuss in public. All right, girls. I got to get back to the job site, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Yes. I see ya.
Alrighty, take a look at this first drainage job here. Come on. Hey guys, how you doing? Hot. Johnny, how you doing, bud?
Good.
Where's Julio?
Keep going to Paris and pick him up on some part.
You get some more parts you need?
Yes, and it's the green put in the end.
Okay.
Yes.
Rain coming this afternoon. To be done by 3. Come on.
Yeah,
Rain coming. How's the ground here?
That's good. Yeah.
Not too bad.
No.
So you got that connected. You got your clean out there. Your
Yes.
breather.
Put it on 90 down.
One collection box here.
One in the middle.
One in Dan. That way they can use their backyard now to get rid of all this water.
Yep.
Danny said a lot of water was accumulating back here.
Yeah.
Especially with the neighbors.
Yeah, then it was stopping right here because it's raised up here at the end instead of going down. So that'll be nice. You get done by 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Time to click it
Yeah,
in.
that's
ticking.
raining. That's
Absolutely.
I think that's 230. Yeah.
So when it gets 95 degrees and the humidity combined and makes it over 100, it's hard on the body, man. Especially when you're old as me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How old am I, Graydon? 110. I almost forgot. I got to burn off 20, 30, 40 pounds. What do you think, Austin? My wife said, you better lose some weight or I'm going to leave you for a younger guy. You know what I said? There's the door. Then I was hungry for dinner. All right, come on, let's get to the next job.
Can I do a quick? We're here in Odenton doing a 3-box, 1 downspout drainage.
Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're at Odenton, Maryland today at a townhouse complex. We're taking care of an end unit for a client. We're going to take water's coming down through all these backyards, channel it into a couple collection boxes, take care of the downspouts on the unit itself. Daylight it over here on the side where it'll come out into the common area, down into the storm drain. Another project will be done this afternoon. We're trying to get that done before a thunderstorm happens. Get this job wrapped up in 1 day. We'll talk to you soon. All right, come on. We're going to the next job. Hey, we're in Arnold today. We're doing a VIP lawn sprinkler upgrade for this client, and we're going to install 4 additional spray zones. Come on, take a look. I'm a doing. So you guys been in the back for the additional zones?
Wilder actually said that there are a few valves on the existing system that aren't working, so depending on how many extras he's already got in his truck, because I gave him 4 extra this morning for the 4 new zones, but he'll have to use those to fix the old system, and then he might have to return tomorrow to put the rest of the valves in, maybe a manifold, and get this job finished up.
Okay, so he won't finish this today?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'll talk to him in a minute. How you guys doing? Good? New spray head? Take a look down here what Willer's got going on. Hey! Get power here to the wires, the controller to here.
No water.
No water? Okay, how many zones you got situation with?
2, 4, 5, 8, and 11.
2 in here.
That one is the old drip.
Drip? You're not using that no more?
No more.
But these 3, you're going to rebuild these valves? Or what you got to do? Okay. You have water on that side of the driveway, or you're troubleshooting to get water?
Only number 8.
Number 8 on that side? Okay. Front foundation is spray head?
Yeah. One.
Okay. So you're doing a VIP upgrade and then install additional 4 zones and then repair some of the original valves that seen the better day, it looked like.
One
This is
head.
8 along here?
Yeah, one head is broken.
What zone does he have down there? What zone is that?
It's 7.
7 there?
But that one no water.
So the last head is right here, the yellow? Come in this direction?
Yes, that one's number 8.
Okay. Controller in the garage?
Yeah.
Does the homeowner know that if the rain, he might be back tomorrow to finish, to get delayed? Okay, he knows. Make sure you tell him today. If you can get it all done today, that's great, but you got rain coming in, 2:33. You got water backing up in your backyard here, you got a problem. You got a big problem. So this is zone 7, and this ends on this side, 7 and 8. You got that wrung out, that's working. In 7, you don't have you're not getting anything over here, right? We didn't install this system, I don't think.
No.
I think we might have done some service here over the years, but I believe somebody else installed this originally. Okay. I gotta get down to see Felix, okay? Before it starts raining. Gotta rush down here to this job. I got 3 crews down there gonna help these guys get this waterfront done. We'll talk to you later, okay? All right, Mr. Happy? He's happy. He's got his hands full in this job. Everybody's got their hands full. It's Monday. Everybody's running around taking care of their own jobs. Before we get rain, we'll talk to you soon. We're gonna rush down here to Annapolis and see how this is going and see if we can get this job underway and finish today in Annapolis along with the rest of these others. Talk to you soon. Hey, buddy, you following me? Are you following me, buddy?
Maybe.
Are you following me? We'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, we'll see you in Annapolis in a couple minutes. Hey, we're here in Annapolis on this drainage job that we're in a rush to get done. Hey, boys got the straw down here. Drainage pipe is in. How much pipe you got in? 250?
Yeah.
Got a lot of pipe in. How you want to do it?
Say extend to the pipe to go to the water.
We can do that. How much more you need? 100?
I don't know.
Yeah. Get 100, drop it in, be done.
You want a sonority to pick up that pipe?
Yeah, you can't run it directly into the creek. That's against the law, but you can run it up to here and that'll be fine. Yeah, that'd be good. Get that water down here and out of the way. Hey, Claudia, how are you? Did you guys go out to dinner the other night?
Yes.
Yeah? Felix took you out to dinner? Got off some coin? Wow. Pretty good? Yeah. You drank plenty of water today. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay? Hey guys, we're finished up on this drainage job today. If you like this video, subscribe, like, wherever the button might be, and we'll talk to you on the next episode. Yes, sir. Thank you for your business. Appreciate you. Oh, he's happy, I'm happy, employees are happy, and we're going home. We'll talk to you soon.